studied two preparations methods of alkane. First method is from unsaturated hydrocarbons. Then second preparation method is from alkyl halides. Here today we are going to study the third preparation method from Grignard's reagent, that is alkyl magnesium halide. Here Grignard is a scientist name. Here Grignard's reagent means, the definition of Grignard's reagent is an alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard's reagent, means RMgX. Alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard's reagent. R means alkyl group. Here alkyl group means this is a monovalent radical formed by loss of one hydrogen atom from alkane. Then this is known as alkyl group. X means halogen. That is halogen atoms are Cl, Br and I. This alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard's reagent. Here preparation of Grignard's reagent. Preparation of Grignard's reagent. Then pure and dry magnesium halide is treated with dry metal magnesium in presence of dry ether. Dry ether means do not contain moisture. Then it gives your alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl halide general formula is RX. R means alkyl group, X means halogen. Alkyl halide when treated with dry metal like magnesium Mg in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, then it gives here RMgX. This is a rearrangement reaction. Alkyl magnesium halide is known as Grignard's reagent. This Grignard's reagent is known as organometallic compound. Organometallic compound means this magnesium, divalent magnesium, is directly attached to the alkyl group of carbon atom and hydrogen atom, and therefore this is called as organometallic compound. Here alkyl halide when treated with dry metal magnesium in presence of dry ether. Dry ether means do not contain moisture. Then it gives alkyl magnesium halide. Then this alkyl magnesium halide, that is Grignard's reagent, is treated with water. Here RMgX is treated with water. Formula of water is H2OHOH in presence of dry ether. Then it gives here this R and H. RH means this is alkane. This is alkyl magnesium halide when treated with water. Then it gives RH and this Mg, then X and OH. Here MgXOH is known as hydroxy magnesium halide. It is known as hydroxy magnesium halide. And this is a alkane. Means alkanes are prepared when Grignard's reagent is treated with water. in presence of dry ether. For example, methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide when treated with water, HOH means water, in presence of dry ether, then this CH3 and H gives CH3H means CH4, that is methane, and MgIOH plus MgIOH means hydroxy magnesium iodide. Here methyl magnesium iodide is treated with water in presence of dry ether, then it gives methane and hydroxy magnesium iodide. This Grignard's reagent is an organometallic compound because this divalent magnesium is directly attached to this is alkyl group of carbon atom and halogen atom. Therefore, this is called as organometallic compound. Here, alkane is prepared from Grignard's reagent. Then these Grignard's reagents are used in the preparation of aldehyde, then ketone, then carboxylic acids. This is the third method, that is from Grignard's reagent. Means first preparation method is from unsaturated hydrocarbon. Then second preparation method is from alkyl halides. Then third preparation method is from Grignard's reagent. Then next point is properties of alkanes. Properties of alkanes. First, physical properties. Physical properties of alkanes. Your first physical property is most of the alkanes are non-polar in nature. Alkanes are non-polar in nature. Or weakly polar in nature. Weakly polar in nature. Most of the alkanes are non-polar in nature or weakly polar in nature. In case of alkanes, here carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen bond takes place. For example, in case of methane, molecular formula of methane is CH4, means one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms are attached to the carbon atom. Carbon, here H, and H. This is the formula of methane. Then in case of ethane, formula is C2H6. Here 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Carbon, H. Here 6 hydrogen atoms and 2 carbon atoms. Means alkanes contains carbon hydrogen single bond or carbon single bond. And this carbon hydrogen and carbon CH and CC, carbon hydrogen and carbon single bond. Here electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen is nearly same. Electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen is nearly same. We know that electronegativity, periodic table मध्ये electronegativity definition शिकलेला आहात. Here electronegativity means the ability or power of an atom to attract electron itself is called as electronegativity. In this case, carbon and hydrogen both contains electronegativity same, and this both contains carbon hydrogen and carbon carbon bond is a non-polar in nature. Means या ठिकाणी काय होणार आहे, इलेक्ट्रॉन अट्रॅक्ट करण्याची जी काही पॉवर असेल ती दोन्हीकडची काय असणार आहे, दोन्ही ॲटम वरची, कार्बन वरची आणि हायड्रोजन वरची सारखी असणार आहे. त्यामुळे पॉझिटिव्ह आणि निगेटिव्ह चार्ज हा या ठिकाणी येत नाही. म्हणजे एकावरती पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज दुसऱ्यावरती निगेटिव्ह चार्ज असं काही इथे निर्माण होत नाही. म्हणून याची इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्हिटी जवळजवळ काय आहे, सारखे. देअरफॉर दिस alkanes are non-polar in nature. Here carbon hydrogen and carbon carbon bond is non-polar in nature, and therefore alkanes are non-polar in nature. Or some alkanes म्हणजे अगदी negligible alkanes are weakly polar in nature. अगदी कमी अल्केन जे असतील ते काय असतील, weakly polar in nature. This is the first physical property, that is alkanes are non-polar in nature or weakly polar in nature. Then second physical property is that is physical state. Physical state. Your first four members of alkanes, that is C1 to C4, C1 to C4 are colorless and odorless gases. First four members of alkanes are colorless and odorless gases. Means first four members, that is methane, ethane, propane and butane are colorless and odorless gases. Then next 13th members, next 13th alkanes, that is C5 to C17. C5 means pentane, pentane to heptadecane. Means pentane, hexane, heptane, then octane, nonane, decane, undecane, and last here 17 means heptadecane. Means total 13th alkanes. Next 13th alkanes are colorless, liquids, and higher alkanes are waxy solids. Wax means main म्हणजे semi solids. Physical state means solid, liquid and gas. First four alkanes are colorless and odorless gases. The next 13 alkanes, that is C5 to C17, are colorless liquids, and higher alkanes are waxy solids. This is the second physical property of alkane, that is a physical state. Then third physical property is melting point and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point. Here, as the molar mass increases, then melting point and boiling point increases. For example, in case of methane, molecular formula of methane is CH4. त्याचा मोलार मास कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा, ॲटॉमिक मासची बेरीज केल्यानंतर काय मिळणार आहे, मोलार मास मिळणार आहे. वी नो दॅट कार्बन ॲटॉमिक मास इज 12, plus hydrogen atomic mass is 1. 1 into 4 means 4 and 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Means molar mass of methane is 16. Here methane formula is CH4. Its molar mass is 16. Then in case of ethane, formula is C2H6. That is C2H6. Atomic mass or atomic weight of carbon is 12. Here 2 atoms, therefore 12 into 2 plus hydrogen atomic weight or atomic mass is 1. 1 into 6. Then 24 plus 6, that is 30. Means 30. Ethane contains molar mass is 30. Methane contains molar mass 16. Ethane contains molar mass is 30. As the molar mass increases, then melting point and boiling point also increases. Here, in case of methane, melting point of methane is 90.5. In case of ethane, melting point is 101.0. Then here boiling point of methane is 111.0 and boiling point of ethane is 184.4. From these examples, here methane shows melting point 90.5, ethane shows melting point 101.0. means as the molar mass increases, molar mass जसा वाढत जाईल तसं त्याचा melting point आणि boiling point हा काय होत जातो, वाढत जातो. As the molar mass increases, then melting point and boiling point increases. Another example is in case of isomeric alkanes. We know that isomeric alkanes means isomerism आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. त्या ठिकाणी पेंटेनचे आयसोमर्स, हेक्सेनचे आयसोमर्स आपण पाहिलेले आहेत. हेक्सेनचे आयसोमर्स कोणकोणते आहेत? दॅट इज नॉर्मल हेक्सेन, then isohexane and neohexane. In case of hexane, molecular formula for hexane is C6H14. Then its molar mass is C6H14. Here atomic mass of carbon is 12. 12 into 6 plus 1 into 14 means 72 plus 14 is equal to 86. Molar mass of hexane is 86. This hexane shows 3 isomers, that is a normal hexane, N-hexane. Formula of N-hexane is CH3, CH2, single bond CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Total carbon atoms are 6 and hydrogen atoms are 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms and total 14 hydrogen atoms. Then isohexane. This is a continuous carbon chain. Therefore, the prefix N is used. That is a normal hexane. In case of isohexane, the iso prefix. Iso means when methyl group is attached to the second carbon atom, then that time iso prefix is used. Then isohexane means CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is isohexane. Here methyl group is attached to the second carbon atom. Therefore, prefix iso is used. Isohexane. Then neohexane. neohexane. If two methyl groups are attached to the second carbon atom, then that time the prefix neo is used, that is CH3, 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 then CH2, CH3. Here two methyl groups are attached to the second carbon atom, then prefix neo is used, here neohexane. Total carbon atoms are 6. This is a neohexane. In this case, this is a continuous carbon chain, therefore n-hexane. Here straight chain alkanes have higher melting and boiling point. In this case, this is a hexane. In case of physical states C6, C5 to C17 are liquids, means this shows boiling point. Means boiling point of hexane in straight chain alkanes, that is a normal hexane, have higher boiling point than that of the branched chain alkenes. In this case, here larger the surface area of a molecule. The normal hexane contains larger surface area than that of this branched chain alkenes. Larger the surface area of alkane, then stronger is the intermolecular force. And if intermolecular forces are stronger, then stronger is this straight chain alkanes contains higher boiling point and branched chain alkanes contains lower boiling point than that of this normal hexane. This is a continuous carbon chain. In isohexane, here one branch is attached. In neohexane, here two branches are attached, means here surface area is less than that of this normal hexane. And if larger the surface area, then stronger is the intermolecular force. And if intermolecular forces are stronger in straight chain alkane than that of the branched chain alkanes. Means straight chain alkanes have higher boiling point than that of the branched chain alkanes, and branched chain alkanes have lower boiling point and melting point. Here molar mass is same in normal hexane, isohexane and neohexane. Molar mass is 86. But this is a straight chain, and therefore straight chain alkanes have higher boiling point and branched chain alkanes have lower boiling point. This is the third physical properties. The next physical property is solubility. Fourth property is solubility. Here alkanes are insoluble in water, but this is soluble in organic solvents like ether, then like chloroform, then benzene, then carbon tetrachloride or alcohol. Here alkanes are insoluble in water. Why this is insoluble in water? Because alkane is inorganic compound. Alkanes are alkanes are organic compound and water is inorganic compound. Therefore, here organic compounds are dissolved in organic compound or organic solvent, and inorganic compounds dissolved in inorganic solvent or inorganic compound. Here water is organic compound and water is inorganic compound and alkanes are organic compound, and therefore alkanes are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like ether, chloroform, benzene, then CCl4 or alcohol. These are the organic solvents. म्हणजे यामध्ये काय आहे, ऑर्गॅनिक सॉल्व्हंट हा ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड हा ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड मध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह होणार आहे, इनऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड हा इनऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड मध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह होणार आहे. अल्केन हा काय आहे, ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड आहे, तो इनऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड मध्ये डिझॉल्व्ह होणार नाही. आणि वॉटर हे इनऑर्गॅनिक कंपाउंड आहे. देयरफॉर दिस alkanes are soluble in organic solvent like benzene, then ether, chloroform and carbon tetrafluoride. Then fifth physical property is hydrocarbons or alkanes are less dense than water. This is the fifth physical property. Means here total 5 physical properties. First physical property is alkanes are non-polar in nature or weakly polar in nature. Then second physical property is physical state. In this physical state, first 4 members of alkane, that is C1 to C4, are gases. Then next 13, that is C5 to C17, are liquids, and higher alkanes are solids. Then third physical property is melting point and boiling point. In this case, as the molar mass increases, then melting point and boiling point also increases. And in case of isomeric alkanes, your straight chain alkanes have higher boiling point and branched chain alkanes have lower boiling point. This is the third physical property. Then fourth physical property is alkanes are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. And last fifth physical property is your alkanes are less denser than water. Means here या ठिकाणी आपल्याला first here 3 preparation methods are completed. First preparation method from unsaturated hydrocarbon, second preparation method from alkyl halide, then third preparation method is from Grignard's reagent, and next their properties of alkanes, that is physical properties of alkanes are completed.